In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change game mode on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com account, and after that just hover your mouse right here where it says play and then click at play at the very top. You will be taken to the page that looks like that. Just click at new game, and that's where we can click at play to start playing rapid 10 minutes game mode. However, we can easily change that mode by clicking right here at that drop down. That's where we can switch between 4 different game modes such as bullet, blitz, rapid and daily. And also for each of these game modes we can change the amount of time for one game in that way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.